everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums, and I want to show you some projects I made from a retreat I just attended. The theme of the retreat is Rockin' New Year's Eve, and obviously it was over the New Year's weekend. So by the time you see this, it may be a couple of weeks after, and I still have a couple of projects to do. With the retreat, you do get a schedule of events, and the event started on Wednesday, December 29th, but the good news is they are still recorded and they are available for me I go through the Facebook connection and go to YouTube, so I can make these projects anytime. And as well, besides the recorded, there is a cut sheet and supply list and photographs. So yeah, so much fun. This is one of the projects. I'll show you a little bit more in a bit, but let me show you what I did actually complete. This is a recipe book, and it stands up. I know that's not a good way to show it to you. It stands up, and you can, let me open this up a little bit, and you can tie it off. And then the recipes are on these little cards, and there are tabs for the different categories if you want. Now I decorated mine a little bit differently than Margaret. Margaret was the one who designed this, and I didn't put all the recipe cards in yet. I actually am going to grab some for my mother-in-law when I see her this spring and copy them and just glue them into here. Some of the recipes that she's made that are my favorites. Look at this paper, isn't that gorgeous? Love the little pies on it. So here's more room for the recipe cards, old-fashioned blenders, pitchers with a bowl of strawberries, more room for raspberry cards, and as well, since this is on rings, I can add more if I want to. This is the inside back cover. This is the part that goes down. And when all said and done, it can sit in your kitchen as a pretty decoration. So that was a fun project to do. So I enjoyed that. Thank you, Margaret, for designing this. That was a lot of fun. Another project I did, and this was using a paper that is exclusive to Country Craft Creations, and it is called the Winter Wonders paper. Sandy Trefgar designed this, and it's really a unique design. We also got a little shaker. Why is there an urge to shake a shaker whenever I'm on? And again, I did the cover a little bit differently than what she had done, but a fun shaker. And we also got the little bits to put in there, the acrylic everything. Now this opens up like this, and there are several of these little photo mats, so you can put the photos in there. Isn't this paper gorgeous? It's a great winter paper. And then this will open up, and then there's another little folio here that's got room for, I guess, 5 photos because one page is glued down. And then this pocket, and here's another folio. A tag from the collection, another tag from the collection, another tag from the collection, another folio here, another one there, and then this side is all the same. It's got another folio. It's sort of, I guess if I were to do it this way, mirrors, the side mirrors the other one. So same thing, but just think of how many photographs you can get in this. And of course, all of the instructions for this were included in the retreat, and it was a lot of fun to do. Now, besides the projects, there are lives every day. Tamara, the owner of Country Craft Creations, and her partner in crime, Sally, had some outings, and they also showed pictures and did all sorts of fun things. And also there were some Zooms and games, and it was just a lot of fun. So here is another project, and this was using the Noel Nostalgic paper, exclusive Country Craft Creations. Love the darling animals. That owl is gorgeous, and so is this deer in the sweater. Isn't that just pretty? So that is what I did for the cover. And then this opens like that. Let me see. I am not good at tying two seam bindings together, but I think Tamara did this one. Oh, this is an accordion pocket. So these are photo mats that you just put the photos and you can just pull them out one by one. So that is a fabulous idea, and I'll probably use that on some of my tutorials coming up. So that's in the front inside cover. And then there's 3 pages. This page has a couple of top pockets and a tag. I guess I wasn't sure where I was going to put that. And in that little pocket there. And look, there's the deer. These tags are gorgeous. And then here's a side pocket. I feel like I want to go back and add some glitz to it. And then this will open up that way. And that. Now this I left open on the top and the bottom so you could add photos or journal or whatever you want to do. And then here's a nice pocket with that same graphic that was on the cover. And then here is the back page, beautiful fox, and a side pocket on the back. See, I wasn't sure if I wanted to add the cozy and bright because I don't want it to be Christmas. I tried to keep it winter. And cozy and bright to me reminds me a little bit of Christmas. But anyhow, there is the Noel nostalgic little mini album from Tamara. And then let me show you the other papers that I have not jumped into yet. So here is the one, this is Love is in the Air. This is another paper collection exclusive to Country Craft Creation. And this project, sorry for the crinkling, should have opened it ahead of time. Look at all the things you get. Little jam accents, little string, some of the, what the heck is this? To embellish. And then this is a template, but I've gone through this because I've done a design team haul and showed you this paper, but since we're close to Valentine's Day, it doesn't hurt to show you again. Isn't that great? And I can't wait to make the mini album that Kim had made. It's a shadow box and folio. Look at that. Isn't that fun? Paper airplanes are darling. There's that. Love Letter Express. And then that hot air balloon shaped like hearts. There's the back of that. There's that. And then there is some tags. And there is another sheet of cut aparts that comes with this collection. It's in there somewhere. But that will be a fun project to make. I'll probably do that one next. I totally missed doing the Midnight Kiss project. Tamara, again, the owner of Country Craft Creation, who's a fabulous paper crafter, designed a keepsake box, and along with the keepsake box were tags that go in, tags or pages? I guess it's a mini album. I haven't even looked at it. But they go into that keepsake box, and the keepsake box has some gorgeous, does that one have the feet on it? I think it does. But, so that I have to look forward to. And even though this paper is called Midnight Kiss, and you would think it's New Year's, one of the designers, and I'm sorry, I don't remember who, but they did a prom book with this paper. And look, you could see how this could be, I mean, you don't have to, you can use this page, you don't have to use the A side. And that says celebrate the new year, but I mean, this could be a prom picture, although usually it's not champagne. And there's the back of that. I love this. Don't you think that's a beautiful pattern? And these are pockets. You cut them apart and they'll make little pockets. So that's fabulous. I love that. More pockets and tags. And there is that. There's the back. I love this. I love that. And I think we also got a pack of cut-aparts for this. I don't remember if it was this paper collection or another. It's in my box. But just gorgeous paper. So I will be working on that as well. And I think that's it. I just wanted to show this to you because there is another virtual retreat scheduled for this summer. I'll put the information in the description box below. It is, the theme is general store, so that can, I mean, you can think of all the different things from a general store. So it's going to be sort of homey, and it'll be cute and it'll be fun. I know it'll be a lot of fun. There were still, as of the time that I am posting this video, some retreat packages left, and again, I'll link that in the description box if this is something you think you would enjoy. When I did it last time, not this time, I blocked out the whole weekend and just crafted for the whole weekend along with everybody else who was doing the projects. This time I had other things going on. We actually did celebrate New Year's, and I'm happy to tell you I stayed up till midnight. Not too much afterwards, but till midnight. And I knew that these projects would be recorded and I still could work on it. So I will show you the projects when they're done. I can't do a tutorial because they're not mine to do, and also if you did not purchase the retreat package, then you cannot get access to the tutorial. But if you do purchase the retreat package, then you'll have unlimited access to the tutorial anytime you want. So I might start this at 5 in the morning one day and it will be there waiting for me. So again, this was the Rockin' Round the Clock New Year's Eve retreat, virtual retreat projects and packages I made from Country Craft Creations. So thanks so much for watching. Have a fabulous day.